Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Myself Raghav Agarwal, pursuing BTech from SGS ITS College Indore, and today we are going to discuss the important topic of DSA, that is linked list. We are going to discuss the basics of array and why linked list is preferred over array, and what are the disadvantages of linked list over array. So what is data structures? Data structure is a storage that is used to store and organize data. It is a way of arranging data on a computer so that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. Data structure is not only to store the data. We can have to access the data easily. We can process the data easily. Classifications of data structure. Data structure is classified into categories: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. There are tree and graph in non-linear data structure, and linear data structure is classified into categories: static and dynamic. In static there is array, and in dynamic there are queue, stack and linked list. So what is linear data structures? In this data is stored sequentially or linearly. Each element is attached to its previous and next adjacent element. What is non-linear data structure? By name it's clear that it is opposite of linear data structure, means the data is not stored linearly or sequentially. So what is array? We are not going to discuss the array in detail. We are just taking the overview of array. If we want to store our data, same type of data in contiguous memory, then we are going to use array. The allocation of the memory in array is contiguous. That's why it is contiguous memory allocation we call. Array is static in nature, means we have to give the size of the array during compile time. If we are giving the size of array during runtime, then in modern compilers it is correct, but according to the old methods and compilers that are good compilers, this method is not good. According to the view of competitive programming, that is good, and that we are giving the size of the array in runtime, but array should be static, so we have to declare the size of the array during compile time. So let's move to linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory allocation. It is basically a chain of nodes. So what is node? A node is a main component of linked list. In linked list there is a creation of links between the nodes. In node there is a data and pointer to next. So a basic structure of linked list is like these are the nodes, and we are creating the links between the nodes, and we are storing the data in this nodes. That's the example. This is the basic structure of linked list. That three are all nodes, and we call the first node as head and the last node as a tail, and we are creating the links between this. That in this block we are storing the data, and the other block basically it's a example of single linked list. So in other block we are creating the link to the other node. This block points the address of the next node, so this create direct link between the two nodes. That's about the single linked list. So the types of linked list. In the previous video we discussed the basic structure of the single linked list. Types of linked list: single linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, and doubly circular linked list. And the applications of the single linked list is navigation system, doubly linked list, music player that we have changed the song forward and backward, circular linked list, file system manager, doubly circular, cache management, and that's all about the applications. Moving to the structure of doubly linked list. In the doubly linked list, in the single linked list we saw that the first node is connected to pointing to the next node, but in doubly linked list the next node is also pointing to the previous one. And seeing the basic structure of circular linked list, such that we are creating a linked list, and these nodes are pointing to each other, but it's similar to the single linked list, but difference is that last node is again pointing to the head node, means tail is pointing to the head. That's about circular linked list. So moving to the doubly circular linked list. In doubly linked list we saw that this pointer points to the next node, and this also points to the next node. And in doubly linked list, this pointer point to the previous one, and this also. In doubly circular, the pointer of the last node pointing to the first, and the pointer of the first node also pointing to the last one. And that's about the doubly circular linked list. So advantage of linked list over array: there is no contiguous memory allocation. So what it mean? Let's see. That is our allocation of, that is memory. In array, we are seeing that we are creating an array. So it takes an space of memory continuously, means there is no space. But in linked list, if we are creating linked list, then it will take random memory spaces. Like if one space is there, then it will take other space there, and this. So it is not contiguous. And address is also not contiguous, because it takes the random free. Then wherever there is free memory in memory block, it takes its node. Other advantage is insertion and deletion. Deletion is easy in linked list. Let's suppose we are creating a linked list. And we are inserting an element 18, 19 and 21. And now I want to insert an element 20 in between. So if it is array, then I have to shift this 21 in other block, and then that's the way. But in linked list, so shifting is most difficult thing in array, and that is the advantage of linked list, that insertion is easy. For inserting an element in linked list, what we are creating a node, inserting an element 20 in this. Now we are breaking this link between 19 and 20, and 19 is going to point this 20, and that 20 is going to point 21. So we can directly insert an element in linked list without any shifting. Now I want to delete an element. Let's suppose I want to delete this 19 from the linked list. Then what I am going to do, I have to break this link. I break this 18 and 19 link, and then 18.1 is going to point 21, and I also have to break this link also, and then I delete this link. And that's the deletion of element from the linked list. It does not have any fixed size. What it means, that in the creation of array, we are declaring the size of the array, and we can't expand the size beyond it. So but in linked list we are only inserting the node in between, so there is no limit of size in linked list, and that's the major advantage of linked list over array. And that's about linked list. So I complete my topic linked list. Thank you.